just going to very briefly talk about three things. Feedback's really important. Those people were at Mary Myatt's session yesterday. Feedback is the most effective way of improving students and making sure that they progress. So I'm using three key apps this year. We're a one-to-one iPad school. So the first application, and I've actually done this presentation on Explain Everything, which is an iPad app. It's also available for Android as of 2 weeks ago. And I'm also using Google Drive for my class, for my Year 10 class, and also Edmodo as well. So very quickly, that's part of the books that I need to mark, and I do have classes where I mark like that and use feedback and different colours and all of that stuff that Dawn talked about, which is brilliant. If it's an essay, I might have marked it in Word and used comments, and that's fine. But this year what I'm trying is something slightly different. So all of my Year 10 full course students have got a folder on Google Drive with their surname and their name, and they share that folder with me. So they don't have to submit work, because as they're working, from wherever they're working, I can see what they're doing and I can comment on it. So this is an example of a student's folder. There's some presentations that they've worked on, an essay that they've written, and a piece of homework that they did looking at Russell Brand and Richard Dawkins. There was the essay that I marked with some comments. They were able to respond to those comments, and I put a grade in at the bottom. I then posted the mark scheme to our class Edmodo group and got them to go back through their own essays. I didn't share the mark scheme first. I know that might have been better practice, but actually I just wanted to see at the beginning of the year where they were at without teaching them to suck eggs, basically. So I thought, okay, what can I do? Because one of them was quite good, but it wasn't perfect. So I opened it up via Google Drive in Explain Everything and created a video, which might take a while to load, but what this app allows you to do is upload a student's piece of work and then mark it and also comment on it as well. So,
improving is the evaluation. It could be more direct, it could be more specifically related. And that, again, that point is evident in the next paragraph. We've got the argument stated as being the design argument, the teleological argument from William Paley, and that gets credit. But what I'd really like to see, as well as stating the argument, which we've done, and we've ended by stating the argument that proves God exists, you need to evaluate it. Do you think it's reasonable to believe in the design argument? What's good about it? Don't just state it, you need to evaluate as well.
So, 3-minute video with me talking, and we spend all day talking, but when you hear your own voice in a video, it's the weirdest thing in the world. So I shared that with the class. I didn't say whose work it was. It's completely anonymous. And I said, okay, here's an example. This is one of your essays. Watch this video and comment on it. And if you look there, some of them have commented and said what needs to be improved. And they've also given me some feedback about whether they like the video feedback as well, and some of them said they found it useful as well as the written feedback. So for each essay they do this year, this is what I'm going to do with my class. Thank you.